For years, the iPad mini was the fun iPad. It was for reading, for casual gaming, for being a secondary screen in your bag. But something changed in the labs at Cupertino. Apple realized that there is a massive underserved market of power users, pilots, doctors, engineers, and creatives, who don't want a 13-inch slab of glass. They want the power of a MacBook Pro in a form factor that fits in a cargo pocket. And with the M5 chip, Apple is finally giving them exactly that. This is the story of how the smallest iPad became the most dangerous device in Apple's lineup. Let's talk about the heart of this machine, the M5 Silicon. Built on the revolutionary 2-nanometer process that Apple has spent billions to secure, the M5 isn't just an evolution of the M4, it's a redesign. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We are looking at the super-core architecture, CPU cores so fast they've redefined single-threaded performance. In a device as small as the iPad mini, thermal management is everything. The 2-nanometers process allows the M5 to run cooler and more efficiently than any chip before it. This means for the first time, you can have sustained, pro-level performance in a chassis that doesn't have a fan. We're talking about 30% faster multi-threaded performance and a GPU that is nearly 50% more capable of hardware-accelerated ray tracing than the previous generation. But the M5 isn't just about raw speed. It's about the NPU, the Neural Processing Unit. As Apple Intelligence evolves from a novelty into the core of the OS, the iPad mini M5 is being positioned as the ultimate AI companion. With a neural engine that is 4 times faster than the M4, the mini M5 can handle complex large language models locally. No cloud, no lag, total privacy. Imagine a device that learns your workflow, predicts your next move, and manages your entire digital life, all while sitting in the palm of your hand. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the display. For years, the mini has suffered from jelly scrolling and LCD limitations. But the Z88 leak suggests that the iPad mini M5 is finally making the jump to tandem OLED. This is the same technology found in the high-end iPad Pros. 2 layers of OLED working together to provide 1000 nits of full-screen brightness and 1600 nits of peak HDR. Deep, infinite blacks. Vibrant, punchy colors. This isn't just a screen, it's a window into another world. And with the rumored inclusion of ProMotion 120Hz, the fluidity of the mini is finally going to match its power. The small Pro is no longer a dream, it is becoming a reality. The design of the mini has always been its greatest strength, and with the M5 generation, Apple is leaning into the ultra-portable aesthetic. Leaks point to an even thinner bezel and a chassis made from recycled titanium, making it lighter and more durable than ever. It's a device that feels like a piece of jewelry but performs like a workstation. And for the first time, we are hearing rumors of a landscape camera orientation. Apple has realized that even on the Mini, people are taking video calls and using it as a secondary monitor for their Mac. Moving the camera to the long edge makes it the perfect companion for Stage Manager and Universal Control. Let's talk about the I/O. The USB-C port on the Mini M5 is expected to support Thunderbolt 4. Why does that matter on an 8-inch tablet? Because it turns the Mini into a modular powerhouse. You can walk into your office, plug your Mini into a 6K